Perfect. How does it work? So the argon gas goes in before and then the wine comes out, or?
That's right. You're essentially inflating a balloon with argon gas. And then instead of the argon coming out, the wine comes out. So when you press the trigger, argon gas goes into the bottle. When you let go of the trigger, that pressure of argon gas pushes the wine out of the bottle into your glass. The pressure that wound up working the best was about 1.5 bar, 1.4 bar. And so that's what we use to press the wine out into your glass. The best way of preserving your argon, if you want to pour as many glasses as possible per capsule, multiple short presses on the trigger is much better from an efficiency standpoint than a long press. You don't need the pressure to get up to 1.5 bar all the time to pour the wine that you need.
I see. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here, or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section and see you in the next one.